Hiking again.
It's a really nice day. Kind of chilly.
Kind of chilly.
So I think like the best part about hiking out here, just in general, you just never know what you're gonna find.
Look at that body.
No, not like a dead body, but there's like so much, I guess, like a wilderness hidden out here, like trees and different foliage and plants. And if you're lucky, you could see a deer.
I got lucky.
It's a little adventure. There's more out there, guys. Go explore it. That's all I know.
Yeah.
I'm confused.
You go that way?
I don't know.
I think this is for the construction people.
Oh, maybe. Probably.
Because there's like no path really for us to go there.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think you're right. Plus, it's muddy out there.
How's it going? So, how's your day? Sick.
It's really nice out here. I know that maybe in the summer, the nice stretch of openness wouldn't be favorable because it's hot. But now it's good because you get some
Good.
warmth from
Yeah.
the sun.
It's nice out here.
Look at that.
There's cacti there. Hold on. All right.
So what are your thoughts? Why do you like hiking?
Fresh air. Good for the soul. I don't know.
Good for the sun.
Reminds you that there's more to life than just what's on your phone and what's in stores.
I think that's nature is kind of where you can kind of connect with God. No, I'm serious. I mean, this is what He made for us, you know.
Yeah.
But I enjoy it because the way the environmental situation's going right now.
I was just trying to figure out this gimbal thing. Oh, I got a gimbal.
So, a gimbal
So,
is a word that is like really.
a gimbal is a kind of like a selfie stick, and it has motors. This one has 3 motors, and it's to make the video not as shaky. So right now, I'm holding it, and you can see that it's not as shaky like me running or something. So, I'm trying to figure out how this works. That's why it's moving erratically.
It's what is Save That Movie? What's that movie? That movie that was in theaters. That had a lot of motion.
Oh, Cloverfield.
Cloverfield. That's what would have saved Cloverfield. A gimbal is what was needed in Cloverfield.
Yeah.
gimbal is what would have saved Cloverfield.
One of our first dates was to watch Cloverfield, right? Yeah.
It was, huh?
We saw it with my brother, and we watched it, and it was a very nauseating movie. Because the camera was shaking, not because I was on a date with you.
Oh my god.
It's a weird movie.
I don't know, you guys, but I don't think it's gonna be aliens that's gonna kill us. I think it's gonna be Jupiter. All the asteroids is
Throwing his asteroids. It's like, take that, Earth. Oh. It'll be years before they get to us, right?
I don't know. Oh goodness, Neil deGrasse Tyson. Oh god, I'm such a nerd, but he tweeted something. Oh, he said, "You matter unless something, then you energy." Darn it! I can't tell jokes to save my life. I found a joke. So it's you matter unless you multiply yourself by the speed of light squared, then you energy. Neil deGrasse Tyson, 1/9/2020.
I didn't get the joke. Say it again.
You matter unless you multiply yourself by the speed of light squared, then you energy.
Oh, it's like, you matter, girl. But if you are the light of speed, then
No,
you
it's
energy?
It's just a science joke.
Like you go, girl?
No, like E equals MC squared, M is mass, C I thought was gravity, but it's actually the speed of light, then your energy. Because we're all matter. In this world, we're all matter. We're all matter.
Yeah.
But if you multiply it, because energy equals matter times the speed of light squared. So if you multiply yourself by the speed of light squared, then your energy. Oh God.
No, sorry.
Well,
I get the
hilarious.
math. It's very hilarious. Hilarious. Hilarious.
Well, you know what? I cracked myself up. That's all that matters.
There we go. Got it.
So I'm holding the gimbal. I hate that word, but also it makes me think of like the bread.
Whoa, why are you shaking it crazy?
I want the
Look.
I want the world to walk out of our video just like Cloverfield. Just kidding.
No, look. You
I'm
just
fine.
hold it, and if you just rotate, it follows. See?
Well, I can't figure it out. Oh, there we go.
Just slight movements. Make it more kind of like, there you go. And then you do this, you do that, do this. See?
Okay. I can really smell like the trees right now.
Sounds like allergies.
Smells like I should have taken my other car. I'm just kidding. No, but I should have. It's okay. Also, it rained. We had like a decent storm last night, and it's surprisingly not muddy for how much it stormed, which I'm happy about. And the sun's out. It's almost like it didn't happen. but I know it's like snowing in parts of Texas right now. So
Where?
I think Allen, Texas. I might be wrong. Somewhere with an A, not Arlington though.
You said somewhere.
Allen. I don't want to get the name wrong.
It's a wonderful world. Come. Trees, sun, the earth,
Energy.
energy. Namaste! They look like a ninja, like, whoa,
Yeah, like that could be your katana sword.
whoa, whoa, who wants some of this? From the camera. Ah. Ah.
We're nearing the end of our hike now. It's my watch that's being a little. There we go. Ta-da! Yeah, that was a good little hike. We're venturing out and trying new hikes now. New trails rather than new hikes. But new trails out here, and it's always so interesting what you'll find. You never know.
Yeah.
Texas is this like underappreciated little gem. Well, when it comes to nature, maybe. So go out there, y'all. Go out there.
Go out there!
Go out there. Go explore. Leave no trace. Pick up your trash.
Go outside.
Okay, I think I'm just really excited.
Go outside!
I don't know why.
Hashtag
I just want to
go
like
outside.
keep talking